Stuck on what to write about on your blog? Watch this video for my foolproof method to finding your perfect blogging niche. The best blogging advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every single Monday. If you're struggling with your blog and you can't figure out what topic you should be focusing on, by the end of this video you'll have an easy 3-step formula that can be your go-to foolproof system for finding your perfect blogging niche. I've proven this formula on so many clients and now it's your turn. So why do you need a niche, you might be thinking? Just remember, if you're trying to talk to everyone, you end up talking to no one. So it's really important to have a niche and be focused when you're producing content for your audience. So let's get stuck in. Step 1. What is the topic that you always love to talk about? You could talk about all day long and friends and family would say this is the thing that you always want to bring the conversation back to. Okay, have you got that? Now, this could be knitting, essential oils, business, marketing, cooking, fitness, anything. But what is the thing that you love to talk about more than anything else? Now, step 2 is think about who you like to help the most. So who is likely to find most resonance in what you say? Who do you resonate with? Who do you love to help? Now, this could be anyone. It could be businesswomen, new mums. It could be mums with big families. It could be businessmen. The world is your oyster, but who is that person that you love to help and connect with most of all? Now, these are your ideal readers or your ideal viewers. So let me know in the comments down below if you've got a really clear picture of who your ideal reader or viewer is. I'd love to know. Now, step 3. Think about the person that you just identified in step 2, that new mom or businessman or whoever it was for you. And think about what keeps them up at night. So what is their biggest pain point? What is the thing that they would love for someone to help them with? Now, that could be that they're stressed, that they don't have time to eat healthily, that they can't fit any time in for exercise. It could be 1,000,001 things, but you need to figure out what the biggest pain point is for your ideal reader or viewer. Now, at this point, it's quite okay if you have a couple of things in each column. So you have a couple of things that you love to talk about. You have a couple of people that you like to help or groups of people. And you might have a few issues that they have, a few of their pain points. And ideally, you'd have these in columns. And then all you're going to do is mix and match to figure out potential niches for your blog. So for example, let's focus on the career women, the women that are working in corporate. You could decide that they're your ideal reader and that their biggest pain point is that they are super stressed and they need some way of relaxing. Now, the thing that you might love to talk about could be knitting, and you might decide that your niche is to help corporate women de-stress through creativity and knitting. So it's as simple as that. You're just going to mix and match and figure out what feels right to you. So now you've found out exactly how to find the perfect blogging niche. But how do you make sure you write the right content for that ideal reader? Well, I've written a 2-page guide covering the 17 types of blog posts that each and every blog in any niche must have. And you can grab the link for that below this video. Also, if you want to join a community of women just like you, I have a secret society where I share up-to-date blogging and business tips to help you turn your blog into a business. If you found this video helpful, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, and comment helpful if you found this video helpful. I'll see you soon.